The three-day Semicon India 2023 was inaugurated by Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, and in his special address he emphasized the role of semiconductors in day-to-day lives of the people and how India is committed to build the semiconductor manufacturing ecosystem under the Semicon India program. India is leading the technology revolution with focus on electronics. As a part of the revolution, semiconductor play an indispensable role and have an application nearly in all sectors, including communication, defense, automobiles, and computing devices, strengthening the important pillar of progress of the country, electronics, and reinforcing the vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat. India is poised to broaden and deepen its value chain, facilitate a world-class semiconductor manufacturing ecosystem. To showcase India as a hub for semiconductor design and manufacturing, Semicon India 2022 conference was organized in Bangalore last year. The building on its success, India Semiconductor Mission organized Semicon India 2023 conference with the theme Catalyzing India's Semiconductor Ecosystem at Mahatma Mandir in Gandhinagar, Gujarat. More than 8,000 persons from over 23 countries participated in conference. Semicon India 2023 witnessed participation of industry leaders from major global companies such as Micron Technology, Applied Materials, Foxconn, Cadence, and AMD, and the Industry Association and SEMI. The COVID-19 pandemic used massive disruption in supply chain and the logistics. This was coupled with a 13% increase in a global demand for PCs as the people worked from home. Chips were suddenly unavailable for the manufacture of a broad range of products including vehicles.